Marami ng, like for example, yung yung mga landmarks na naalala ko before, wala na. Or iba na yung itsura ng buildings, or wala na yung buildings, yung dating puro talahiban, puro condominiums na. So naliligaw na ako, hindi na ako pwedeng mag-drive talaga ngayon dito.
And if there's one thing that you've really missed about the Philippines after being away for so long, what would that be? About working in the Philippines?
Working in the Philippines. Ang isang na-miss ko, one thing that I miss the most is actually performing in front of the camera. I really miss that. Second, I missed the camaraderie. Yung when you go to work and then you meet people, new people, and then they become a part of your life, and you find new friends, you create new relationships, and you become a part of another person's life. It's golden.
Okay, sorry, last. Meron po bang mga bagong artista, any of the love teams or anything that you followed while you were there, or that you yourself are a fan of?
Actually, ang confession ko is wala akong Tagalog na channel sa Amerika. Wala. Alam niyo kung bakit? Magugutom ang asawa ko. Hindi ako makapagluto on time, hindi ako makapaglinis on time. Wala akong magagawa because there was a time na meron akong Tagalog channel sa TV. Wala akong nagagawa kasi naa-addict ako. Nanonood lang akong gano'n. So nagiging couch potato ako. So, naging decision ka na, okay, sige, wag na muna. Makikibalita na lang ako. Or kung meron man, papanoorin ko na lang siguro sa online. Pero hindi na ako talaga, hindi na ako magpo-focus sa TV dahil wala akong nagagawa eh.